तुम पैसे के पीछे क्यों हो? Why do you run after money? Why do you run after money? मैं गाने गाता हूँ. I sing the songs. I sing the songs. वे अंग्रेजी सीखने जाते हैं. They go to learn English. They go to learn English. वे 8 बजे रात का खाना खाते हैं. They have dinner at 8 p.m. They have dinner at 8 p.m. हम रोज टीवी देखते हैं. We watch television every day. We watch television every day. क्या वह बाइक चलाती है? Does she ride a bike? Does she ride a bike? पक्षी आकाश में उड़ता है. A bird flies in the sky. A bird flies in the sky. हम आसानी से अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं. We speak English easily. We speak English easily. वे एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. They like each other. They like each other. वह तुमसे बहस क्यों करती है? Why does she argue with you? Why does she argue with you? वह उदास दिखती है. She looks sad. She looks sad. वे एक जैसे दिखते हैं. They look alike. They look alike. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. मुर्गी अंडे देती है. The hen lays the eggs. The hen lays the eggs. वे सुबह खेलने जाते हैं. They go to play in the morning. They go to play in the morning. पक्षी आकाश में उड़ते हैं. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. तुम घर कब जाते हो? When do you go home? When do you go home? बच्चा मैदान में कबड्डी खेलता है. A child plays kabaddi in the playground. A child plays kabaddi in the playground. रस्सी सांप जैसी दिखती है. The rope looks like a snake. The rope looks like a snake. वह स्वस्थ दिखता है. He looks healthy. He looks healthy. हम रोज मंदिर जाते हैं. We go to the temple every day. We go to the temple every day. तुम इस ड्रेस में भद्दे दिखते हो. You look awful in this dress. You look awful in this dress. तुम सुंदर दिखते हो. You look handsome. You look handsome. मैं अक्सर इस पेड़ के नीचे बैठता हूँ. I often sit under this tree. I often sit under this tree. दिवाली हर साल आती है. दिवाली comes every year. दिवाली comes every year. गवाला गाय का दूध निकालता है. The milkman milks the cow. The milkman milks the cow. वह तेज नहीं दौड़ता है. He does not run fast. He does not run fast. वह स्कूल कैसे जाता है? How does he go to school? How does he go to school? कुत्ते गलियों में क्यों भौंकते हैं? Why do the dogs bark in the streets? Why do the dogs bark in the streets? वह उसे अंग्रेजी सिखाता है. He teaches him English. He teaches him English. किसान खेत में काम करता है। The farmer works in the field. The farmer works in the field. हम 1 बजे लंच करते हैं। We take lunch at 1 p.m. We take lunch at 1 p.m. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं। We help each other. We help each other. तुम कंपनी कैसे संभालते हो? How do you manage the company? How do you manage the company? क्या तुम धूम्रपान करते हो? Do you smoke? Do you smoke? सूर्य सुबह 6 बजे निकलता है। The sun rises at 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun rises at 6 o'clock in the morning. धरती सूर्य के चारों ओर घूमती है। The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. हम घोड़े पर सवारी करते हैं। We ride on a horse. We ride on a horse. वह खुद को क्या समझती है? What does she think of herself? What does she think of herself? पेड़ हमें सूर्य से छाया देते हैं। The trees give us shade from the sun. The trees give us shade from the sun. वह मुझे फोन करता है। He calls me up. He calls me up. आम पेड़ पर उगते हैं। The mangoes grow on a tree. The mangoes grow on a tree. क्या तुम ईश्वर को मानते हो? Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? यह कैसे होता है? How does it happen? How does it happen? मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करता हूँ। I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. उसका भाई क्या करता है? What does his brother do? What does his brother do? पेड़ हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं। The trees give us oxygen. The trees give us oxygen. तारे रात को टिमटिमाते हैं। The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. तुम्हारा भाई कहाँ पढ़ाता है? Where does your brother teach? Where does your brother teach? अध्यापक हमें लिखवाती है। The teacher dictates us. The teacher dictates us. तारे कैसे टिमटिमाते हैं? How do the stars twinkle? How do the stars twinkle? बच्चे पार्क में व्यायाम करते हैं। Children exercise in the park. Children exercise in the park. क्या तुम कार चलाते हो? Do you drive a car? Do you drive a car? तुम भद्दे दिखते हो। You look awful. You look awful. मैं पूरा दिन खेलता हूँ। I play all the day long. I play all the day long. मछली पानी में रहती है। The fish lives in the water. The fish lives in the water. उसका भाई पैसे कैसे कमाता है? How does his brother earn money? How does his brother earn money? सूर्य शाम को 7 बजे अस्त होता है। The sun sets at 7 p.m. The sun sets at 7 p.m. क्या तुम आम खाते हो? Do you eat mangoes? Do you eat mangoes? यह सड़क कहाँ जाती है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? क्या तुम समय पर स्कूल जाते हो? Do you go to school on time? Do you go to school on time? वह खुश लगता है. He looks happy. He looks happy. क्या तुम बस से स्कूल नहीं जाते हो? Do you not go to school by bus? Do you not go to school by bus? Or don't you go to school by bus? Don't you go to school by bus? बादल पानी लाते हैं. Clouds bring water. Clouds bring water. मैं गाना गाता हूँ. I sing a song. I sing a song. मैं तुम्हें समझता हूँ. I understand you. I understand you. वह अंग्रेजी सीखती है. She learns English. She learns English. क्या तुम दूसरों की मदद करते हो? Do you help others? Do you help others? जंगली जानवर रात के समय नजर आते हैं. The wild animals appear at night. The wild animals appear at night. वह खुद को क्या समझता है? What does he think of himself? What does he think of himself? क्या तुम शराब पीते हो? Do you drink? Do you drink? पायलट हवाई जहाज उड़ाता है. A pilot flies an airplane. A pilot flies an airplane. वह हमेशा अपने बॉस की चापलूसी करता है. He flatters his boss. He flatters his boss. मैं पानी बचाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to save the water. I try to save the water. हम रोज इंटरनेट इस्तेमाल करते हैं. We use the internet every day. We use the internet every day. तुम खुद को क्या समझते हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? तुम भारत में कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live in India? Where do you live in India? वह बहुत अच्छा नाचता है. He dances very well. He dances very well. मैं फूल नहीं तोड़ता हूँ. I do not pluck the flowers. I do not pluck the flowers. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? क्या सूर्य नहीं चमकता है? Does the sun not shine? Does the sun not shine? तुम इस पोशाक में सुंदर दिखती हो. You look beautiful in this dress. You look beautiful in this dress. हम रट्टा नहीं मारते हैं. We do not cram or we do not mug up. We do not cram or we do not mug up. मैं दूध पीता हूँ. I drink milk. I drink milk. पक्षी घोंसले में रहते हैं. The birds live in the nest. The birds live in the nest. वह उन्हें अंग्रेजी सिखाता है. He teaches them English. He teaches them English. वह कौन से देश में रहता है? In which country does he live? In which country does he live? क्या तुम बेअटक अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? Do you speak fluent English? Do you speak fluent English? सूर्य कैसे चमकता है? How does the sun shine? How does the sun shine? क्या तुम बस से स्कूल जाते हो? Do you go to school by bus? Do you go to school by bus? तुम्हारे माता पिता कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do your parents live? Where do your parents live? वह कहाँ रहती है? Where does she live? Where does she live? वह अपनी माँ जैसी दिखती है। She takes after her mother. She takes after her mother. वह क्या करता है? What does he do? What does he do? सेना देश की सेवा करती है। The army serves the nation. The army serves the nation. मैं भगवान में विश्वास करता हूँ। I believe in God. I believe in God. क्या तुम हर साल पौधे लगाते हो? Do you plant the saplings every year? Do you plant the saplings every year? पक्षी रात को नहीं उड़ते हैं। Birds do not fly at night. Birds do not fly at night. हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं। We talk to each other. We talk to each other.